Well, good evening, everybody. It's your boy Smitty. Welcome back for day 2 of the 4L80 build, as you can see. Got our lower part of our gear train set up, and we need to go about replacing all the bushings in it. The only thing I don't have right now that I'm still waiting on is the rear band. It's a triple band looking heavy thing. I can't do anything. I can't really put everything together until I get it. But I can at least assemble it on the bench and let you see how it goes together with all the bearings and everything else. So let's get to getting the bushings out. These are kind of a pain in the butt because some of them are blind. I wish I had a vise here. I don't have a vise yet. I need to get one. Anyway, let's get to it. All right. Probably the best course of action, maybe to get these out. You can see down in them, there's one on each end of this. I think we'll use the sun gear. See if we can't knock one of them out. Maybe we'll get lucky here. This may not work. May not have enough of an edge to grab hold of it and push it out. No bushings on that shaft. Let's try our bushing remover. I tried it the other day on something else I was working on and it didn't work that good. But maybe we'll be able to put it use on this. You know what, this may just work. If this will open up enough, it may work. Well, I can see this being beneficial to put that sun gear on there to aid in having somewhere for that bushing to go. Yep. Well, it may work. Let me find a wrench big enough. Watch it be the only one that I don't have. See what happens here. Don't know that I can tighten it up anymore, but we'll try it. I think it's pretty much expanded as far as it'll go. This is pretty shady. I'm gonna tell you right now. I think it's just pulling it through the Yeah, it's more like peeling the bushing than anything. It definitely wasn't moving. Just ever so gently see if we can cut that dude. Alright, we get enough of it down. We'll see if we can't, got enough of a groove there. We'll see if we can't bust that dude out of there. And it's coming out. Got enough tension. There we go. Ooh, that baby right there. It won't go all the way through the tube though. That one does though. Now, since we're trying to go through the other side, we need to find yeah, that'll work. See if we can knock it out this way. Beautiful. Alright, there's our two small bushings. So I think we found out that this one was the right size. I'll give her one more whack here. That one looks good. Do our other side. Beautiful. Alright, so we got our bushings in that one. So let's work on this one right here. That's a big dude. I think we're just going to have to walk that one out with a punch. Get a good spot anyway. You know, that cutting thing worked pretty good. I think I may try that with this one too. Good Lord, this one's hard. Hard as a rock. Well, looks like I am cutting it though. There we go. Man, that was a pain in the butt. Okay. Well, they're all a pain in the butt. Pretty obvious which one that gets. That'd be that dude right there. Okay, guess what? Guarantee we're not going to have a driver big enough to push that dude in there. And that ring looks like it's going to be too big to go down in there. I wonder if there's another way to do that. I think there is. I think that will work. Where's my wing nut? There it is. See how it goes. See how it goes. I have a feeling we're not in deep enough yet. Nope. Got a little ways yet to go. Nice. Okay, that bushing's done. Old tranny parts have a use yet, huh? Now this one is gonna be fun. And I say that sarcastically. Alright, y'all, so I decided I'd try this bushing remover one more time and see if it works on this particular bushing. This or the puller thing's pretty janky. But I thought I'd give it the benefit of the doubt, see if it's gonna work. Not expecting miracles. I'm getting stuck in the microphone cord. I think this is going to do the same thing it did on the other one. It's just going to walk out sideways. Holy crap, it's pulling the bushing out. Huh. Well, it actually freaking worked. Caught the bushing kind of sideways, but it came out. Sweetness. Huh. Well, it's not a total loss. Not a total loss. Cool. So, I guess we'll find the bushing that goes in there. It should be this one right here. This one's got a extra groove in there. Must mean they use this in other transmissions. Really doesn't matter which way it's going to go in. So, find an installer. I don't know what happened to the sleeve that I'm looking for. There it is. Doesn't fit the greatest. Alright, it's in there. It's in there. Looks like we're gonna have to dress it up a little bit. It may be in there, but it ain't happy. Hi y'all. So we're gonna end it off there tonight for the bushing install. There's probably, well, there's the center support I didn't cover on this one. I'm going to do that in a separate video because we're going to do that as an install also. So anyway, and there'll be some other bushings that I'll cover as I go. The output shaft, as you've seen there, is you have to size the bushing basically. And what that usually entails is taking some emery cloth or some crocus cloth, something real fine, and you polish the bushing until it fits the output carrier. So that's basically all there is to it. So if you like what you're seeing so far, make sure to comment, like and subscribe, hit that like button. Hit the like button. Anyway, hey, I appreciate y'all watching. I really do. Until next video, take care of yourself. Take care of each other. God bless you, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.